You're having a great Friday. The following portion of the show is sponsored by our friends at LDT LLC.
That's right. We've got our friend Will Sadler here from Transitions Indy and Taylor J from WFMS, who has seen some incredible results after just 2 months.
Yeah.
Wow, welcome guys.
Hey, thanks so much for having us.
Yes, we're talking about our hair. It's such a big part of our confidence.
Sure.
And I know that's a big reason that you do what you do. You want people to look and feel their best.
Absolutely. No, and we're super excited to be able to help out Taylor as well with this. I mean, it's been a journey leading up to now, and but I think honestly things have been going super well, and it's only taken about 2 months for you to get to where you are now.
I can't believe it. I really wasn't expecting results this quickly, but it's working.
That's great. What were you seeing that you were like, okay, I gotta get this checked
It was
out?
because like we live in this social media world, so I'm seeing pictures all the time, and suddenly I'm like, that's what my hair looks like? Like, because I've always had like long, thick hair. Even when I look back at pictures from a few years ago, I'm like, oh, what happened? You know?
Yeah, I think so many people can relate to that, whether it's through COVID or even hormonal issues and different things. There can just be something that changes. And one day you're like, wait a second, what's going on? So what kind of treatments have you done?
So with her, what we've done is PRP, which is Platelet Rich Plasma. We've also done FDA-approved laser hair therapy and different pharmaceutical-grade products as well. So, but we have a variety of different options. So we offer hair transplantations with multi-unit hair grafting and the artist robotic FUE through We Grow Hair Indy.
Yep.
So that's what you got there with Chris Moser.
Hey, he looks familiar.
That's my
Look at that guy.
On top of that head.
I went with the transplant route.
Okay.
So I was a patient myself to start off as, too. So it was honestly one of the best decisions I ever made, and that's one of the rewarding things that we do here is a lot of us are clients as well. So we've gone through hair loss, we understand the sensitive nature of what this is.
That's great.
Sorry.
No, I was just going to say, I can only imagine having that peace of mind knowing that the person helping you with your process has done it before.
And they can really explain it super well.
That's great.
Yeah, they've been in your shoes. I was just going to ask how long ago that photo was.
So that photo would have been, how was it? 5 years ago.
5 years?
Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
See, and I think that speaks into, I mean, you look amazing. You know, you can maintain it, and I'm sure you have treatments that help people with that too.
Oh, absolutely. So, I mean, there's the pharmaceutical grade products, the lasers, the PRP, all those different things are going to help. So, with Lois here, we actually did some different biological or regenerative type treatments to help out with her hair. So, regardless of age, young, old, middle age, there are options and solutions for people. And the number one thing that I want to make sure that everyone knows is that there's always hope.
Yeah, right.
And I feel like a lot of times when people look in the mirror, they feel like that hope is lost. Like you can't control your hair, but there are solutions that can help you out.
Taylor, what would you say to someone who's maybe on the fence about getting the same kind of procedure that you do?
Because honestly, I thought maybe I'm overreacting, maybe it's not really an issue, but when I went in there and met with Will for the first time, he showed me pictures of people that had a similar situation, like the befores and the afters. I'm like, yes, this is the place that I need to be. So if you are dealing with any issues like this, go see my friend.
Yeah,
really.
awesome.
Is there anything you've noticed the most since you started getting treatments?
It's getting thicker and it's fuller and it's growing again. I went through a period of time where the hair wasn't growing. Like I didn't even need to color my roots that much, but now I'm seeing the growth again.
That's great. Well, it looks great, and you can just see it a lot of times in the smile that people have too. So how can people, how can people get in touch and take advantage of the promo?
Yeah, so we have a promotion going on where we have 2 weeks of free laser treatments. But you can just reach us at 317-522-2991, or you can also go to transitionsindy.com for your free hair and scalp analysis, or you can also do it virtually if needed.
That's great. Well, Taylor, thank you so much for being here
Thank
today.
you so much.
Thank you.
The preceding portion of the show is sponsored by LDT LLC.
That's right.
Yeah.